Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is being great out there. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for checking me out. I see we have 500 subscribers. Yay! Go guys, thank you so very much. We are at 500 subscribers. By the time you guys are watching this video, it's probably going to be more than 500. Thank you guys so very much. We're on our way to 1,000. Let's get there before the end of this year, guys. I've been on YouTube now for 7 months and I'm already at 500 subscribers. I know a lot of people grow faster than that, but every accomplishment is a blessing. Thank you guys. As you guys can see in the title today, it is a styling video, a wedding guest styling video. You know, we are still at a wedding season. A lot of people are still going to weddings. I've been invited to weddings. We're still at the end of summer, so these clothes you could wear them at the end of the summer or early fall to go to a wedding. So if you want to see how the styling goes, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the first dress that I got. This is a bandage dress. It is a mustard goldy kind of dress right here. It's strappy and adjustable. It has a zipper at the back going all the way to like your mid back. Go all the way to your mid back. It is very stretchy, very giving. The top part is a ribbed kind of style up there, and it gives you a, you see this dress, even before you put it on, you already see the curve. You already see the curve on it, that it is gonna like suck you in and all that good stuff. You guys see how beautiful this dress is. It is long. Let me move back a little bit. It is very long. It is all the way, I'm just way close to my ankle. That's where this one got to. This is the back right over here. It does have a slit at the back. This dress is so cute and so gorgeous. I styled it up and I looked so cute in it, girl. My body was eating this dress up like, girl, I was looking really cute. I know this is a beautiful wedding guest outfit. You wear this, and if you see a man over there that you like, baby, let him come over and talk to you if you're in the market looking, okay? So yeah, this is this really beautiful dress. This dress is from Shein and I got it in a size small. Yeah, I did get it in a size small, and it's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. Like I told you guys, it is from Shein. It is not Shein. It is those other stores, all those other brands that is on Shein. That's where this dress come from. And honestly, if they have it in any other color, I plan on getting more of this because this dress is so cute. And if you're not comfortable like me, I'm really not comfortable with my arm. I said it in my last video. You could pull like a nice jacket or nice something simple, but I like it. It covered up all my extra fat on my armpit area that I really don't like. This is such a beautiful dress. No, they said don't wear white to the wedding. It's kind of rude and disrespectful to the bride. But there's some bride that don't wear white to their own wedding. There's some bride that wear like pink, any other color to their wedding. Like I wear champagne to my wedding. I didn't wear pure white because I didn't wear that to my wedding. So just in case somebody, I mean, there's some theme wedding that say wear all white, but the bride will wear some other color. So this is a beautiful white dress. It is white. It's going to, you know, wash me the heck out. But this white beautiful dress is so gorgeous. Very beautiful. It is also from Shein, from another brand also from Shein. I don't know what brand it is. It is also a bandage material. Really cute, sleeveless, and here's what the back look like. It is also sleeveless at the back, pretty open on the back, and it does have a slit right here in the front area, and your chest is pretty much open. Nice cleavage is going to give you over here. It is such a beautiful dress. I'm so in love with it. As you guys can see, this dress also, just like the other one, it does have a curve already where your hips is going to stay on. This Asos is like sucking your gay in all the way in, sucking her in the right places. So yeah, This is what this dress look like. I really love it. It does also have a zipper to your mid back over here. Yeah, such a beautiful, beautiful dress. Adjustable on the strap on the hand over here. Adjustable strap over here. You can adjust it to be put your cleavage up as much as you want and all that good stuff. So this dress right here is so gorgeous. It holds your girls in. If you have a bigger tatas than I am, it's going to be looking real cute. This dress is gorgeous. Also, like I said, they said don't wear white to people's wedding. There's some wedding that the brides don't mind, first of all. And also the bride is going to be wearing another color. So you wear whatever you feel like wearing, okay? Hey guys, this is another dress that I got. This dress right here, I have a birthday party coming up in September. This is the dress I'm wearing there, but this dress also can go to any party, anything that you're doing. So it is this beautiful dress. This dress is from Asos. I got this from Asos and I got a size 8 in it. It is like a jacquard kind of material. Your chest is pretty open over here, and you guys see it is the sleeve for me. I like exaggerated sleeve, guys. You guys see this? This is so cute and so gorgeous. The sleeve is very big, very poofy, really nice, and the back is pretty open. It has this string up here, so it will hold the back up together. This dress right here is so classy. It has like a corseted, oh bruh, braces. Can't even speak English anymore. Detail on the middle area right here. It gives you a little bit more detail on your waist area. I love it, guys. This dress is gorgeous. It has almost, I don't even know how to like explain this dress. It is so cute. You guys will see it on me when I put it on. It is like you float in the clouds. Like the design on it looks like clouds and stuff like that. It is like a, I'm gonna say like a bluish, but not blue at the same time. I don't know what color to say it is. It is not silver. So yeah, it is shorter than the other two that I showed you guys, like knee thigh for me, and it's pretty loose, so it's not tight. So you will really like this dress. You'll be able to dance your evening night away in this dress. This dress is gorgeous. Like I said, it is from Asos, and I got it in a size 8. I feel like if I have gone to size 6, it would probably fit me much better, but I'm okay with the way it fit. It is so cute. Give you a nice cleavage. Has this little detail right here on the, let me move a little closer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It has this little detail over here, like this corseted thing that I'm talking about. It is right here on the waist, and it does also have this deep V situation going on over there. This dress right here, I am in love with it. I really. Okay guys, the next dress I got, it is this beautiful long dress right here. It is blue, yellow, gold kind of situation, leaf going on it. It is long. When I say long, this dress is very long. It covers your heels. It is tall girl friendly. Very beautiful, very nice. Look at the sleeve, guys. Another poofy kind of sleeve that it has over here. It has an elastic thing, a situation on the wrist area. It doesn't, it's quarter length. It's like all the way to your elbow area. It is such a beautiful long dress. It has a zipper going down right here, and on the waist it is very elastic. It has elastic right here on the waist. It is so beautiful. The dress is from Pretty Little Thing, and I got it in a size 6, and yeah, it fit me very well. Very beautiful, really nice, long, like the way I like my dresses to be. Very comfortable, and the material itself is very stretchy, so it won't be constricting or anything sticking to your body in any way, shape, or form. Like I told you guys, it does have a very high slit right over here on the thigh. Very sexy, very cute, beautiful. I think I wore this with a yellow heel and a clip purse, so it can bring out the yellow of the flower on the outfit much better. You could wear a blue shoe with this, a clear heel, or whatever one that fits you. Simple necklace, simple earrings, and all that good stuff. And yes, guys, I really love this. The one thing that really caught me with this dress is the length. It is very long. Very long, but be careful because you will step on it, because I know when I was trying it on, I did step on it a couple of times. So yeah, I really like it. Beautiful, cinching the waist a little bit very well. Honestly, I will probably still take it to the tailor for them to help me take the waist in a little bit so it can fit pretty well on my waist. Like you guys told you guys, my waist is pretty small. So yeah, most of the things that I get, I have to take them to the tailor so it can fit me much better on the waist. So yeah, this is this dress right here, right? And this one right here, okay? This one is more for like early fall, because this dress right here, it is freaking thick. When I say thick, it is thick. This dress is thick. It's long sleeve, and also early fall kind of wedding, this dress will be pretty good for it. It is this beautiful. Look at the blue. Oh my days. Do y'all see the blue? It's very royalty. Like royal blue, very beautiful, very cute. Has this gold zipper going on. You could zip it all the way to your neck if you feel like it. But if you want a little bit more sexiness and a little bit of cleavage, just zip it down. Like I said in the video, I did zip it a little bit so it can be a little bit classy. So I zip it down so it's just a little bit cleavage going on. But if you want to show the girls and you want to show more tatas, you could zip it down. This is very a functional zipper. You could zip it as low as you want and all that good stuff. Like I told you guys, this joint is thick. So if you're going to a wedding in this, you gotta be real careful because you're gonna be sweaty. Like, it's another bondage material. It is from Fashion Nova, like I said, and I got it in a size medium. I got it in a size medium because of the sleeve. I really want the sleeve to fit me very well, so that's why I got it in a medium. But yeah, this dress is so gorgeous. This dress is so gorgeous and so cute. The color, fam, the color on this is everything to me. I love the color. I love everything this is, man. And it has this little slit right here at the bottom also. The back is pretty plain. It has nothing going on. As you guys can see also, the waist and the hips, man, everything just suck you in. It sucks you in on this one. I really love it. I really like it. Man, this gold zipper is on its own pretty. Okay guys, the last dress I got is another long dress. It is such a beautiful dress. This dress is from the years now and it's still standing in my closet. I don't even know where to start with this dress because I love it so much that I wanted to get the blue one, and they sent me some cheap ass looking outfit. Very ugly, very not what this is. The material is also different, and telling me it's the same material. Totally different kind of style and totally different material. This is beautiful, guys. It has all this flower. You can wear this during spring, and I think you can wear this during fall also, because it has some brown, a little bit of brown, some blue, red, orange is what I'm gonna say this is. And this is such a deep, it is very deep right here in the chest area, and it comes with a belt, and it also has this slit right here in the front. I had to pin it, guys, because if you're not careful, all the kitty cats are going to be out, and we want to be classy at a wedding, so we don't want all our kitty cats showing and not being comfortable. So I had to pin it right here so it can close a little bit, but it's still pretty high open. Very cute, very beautiful, also very long, guys. Very long. So it's tall girl friendly, and it is beautiful when you put on your heels and it's covered. This is what the hand looks like. I might not be able to see it. Okay, this is what the hand looks like. It has a little flare on the arm over there. It does have a zipper going down all the way. Very long dress. You could get in it pretty easily and pretty out. The down right here is curved at the bottom. It is pretty curved at the bottom. I love me this dress. Honestly, love me this dress. I got it in a size 8. I was wondering why it's so damn big on me. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I do really appreciate every single person that watched the video all the way to the end. And thank you again to everybody, all the 500 subscribers that I have and counting, okay? And counting. I really appreciate all of you guys, wherever you are in the face of the world. May good God bless you guys. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, and go in the comment section and let's talk. I keep saying that all the time. If you subscribe to my channel, I don't know the names of half of you guys. YouTube don't show me the names. So if you subscribe to my channel, go in the comment section and say, hey girl, how you doing? And I will reply back to say, girl, I'm fine. Oh guy, I'm fine. Thank you guys so very much again. Alright guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Until next upload. Mwah.